bandwidth usage details. There I go to see what my current bandwidth usage is. Bandwidth limit settings. This means that you can set your own limit. So if you have a particular budget that you want to stick to every month, then be sure to set your own limit so that you're not paying for more bandwidth than what you intended to. ADSL notifications, you dictate where the request notifications on this particular account, what email address they go to. And it doesn't only have to be you, you could actually have this going to more than one person. You fill in the details here. And for your ADSL password, if you want to change it, this is where you do it. Always remember to click submit when you change anything. The dealer products on the menu, if you remember, those are the same products. You can either get to them from the menu here or from those icons at the top of the dealer homepage. Next on the list we have the marketing section. Let's have a look what's there. If you select banners, you'll see that there's a range of banners that you can download. This also is a dynamic section which we update every now and again, so keep on checking and seeing if there are new things. The newsletters, as I've mentioned before, is an archive of the dealer updates. If you missed one, you can always pick it up here. And promo material is the Vox marketing collateral that we have for sale, which is banners and caps and t-shirts. But it's exactly the same as buying a product, you just add it to your shopping basket. The reporting section is possibly the most exciting part of the login facility for dealers. Another great function is the communication module. You can send emails to your downline from this website. It's a very intuitive little tool. It only goes 15 levels deep into your downline to handle spam issues. But other than that, if I select any dealers in my downline for this dealer that I'm logged in as, in the Gauteng region, any rank, so it doesn't select a specific one, active dealers, and then search, it comes up with all the dealers that fall into that category. These dealers I want to talk to, so if I select send to all and then create message, it comes up with this screen where I can just quickly type in my email message, give it a subject line, a description just for reporting purposes, and then send. And it'll email it directly off our server. You can keep an eye on how much communicating you've been doing by checking your communication reports. The communication reports is where you go to find the history of all the emails that you have sent from your website. There you go, that'll list any activity on the communication module. This dealer leads option is only for those dealers who have Vox websites. Any leads which are sent from the inquiry form on the Vox website are stored here. Commission statement. This is what every dealer wants to see. There you go. All the necessary information. The last item on this page is reports. Let's have a look. Once I've clicked through to the reports, as you can see, you get a drop down with all the different type of reports that are available to you. If you scroll down a bit further, you'll see an overview of the current month. So this is real time, current month information. But just to show you, if I select the commission detail report and then select the time frame that I'm interested in, so let me go back a month and check last month's report. You can see that the data is loading up. And then I'll open the report. It opens up it saves it and opens it in a PDF. There it is. So I'll just make it a bit bigger so that you can all see. And here is the full commission detail report. At the top of the report, you'll see an overview of the commission earned on all the different categories: personal group differential, performance or satellite, and development commission. So there you have it. I think that wraps up all the reporting functionality on the dealer homepage. As you'll be aware by now, Vox offers dealers the opportunity to have their own website. I'm going to quickly show you an example of what the dealer websites look like. And this is an example of the Vox Super Dealer website. You'll notice that the only difference between the two is that the Super Dealer has all the information about the Super Dealer product, as that is not available on the normal Vox Dealer website. We believe that having a Vox website is a great marketing tool for you. The websites have been designed in such a way that they focus 100% on generating sales and leads. The two main pages on the Vox website is the lead generation business opportunity page there and the retail generating products page. As you can see, it has the full suite of Vox products available with full buying functionality. With the Vox website, you can choose any domain name that you like, so long as it's available, of course. All inquiries from your Vox website go directly to you, the dealer. So you manage your own leads. And if you remember on the dealer homepage, when we went through the reporting functions, the leads generated from your site were captured in that database. The most important thing about having a Vox website is that because your dealer number is embedded in the code of the website, any products that are purchased on your website are automatically allocated to you as the dealer. To manage your Vox website, you need to log in with your dealer number and password on your own website. So if you go to the website to the business opportunity page, you will see the login screen. So I'm going to log in quickly. This takes you to the admin facility for your website. It looks exactly the same as the website, except that the option menu on the left-hand side is related to all the pages of your website. And if you click on each of them, you will see this is where you go in to actually physically update the details that you can change on your Vox website. In addition, you can check any leads that have been generated from your website on this same admin tool by clicking Leads Management. There are all the inquiries that have been sent from that particular website. I hope now you'll agree with me that the Vox website is a vital business tool for dealers. Thanks for watching.
Hi there, my name is Martin Kuhlman, and today we're going to talk about how to grow your business successfully. My agenda is really 3 points. I'm going to talk to you, especially of those who are new, to an outline of who is Vox Telecom, what we're all about. Then we're going to talk about how do you sell directly to a customer and how do you build a network, a group network. And then lastly, and most importantly, the fundamental rules of network marketing. So the real aspect of what I'm going to talk to you today is really about how do you grow a massive group and how do you get a long-term reward out of your business. Vox Telecom is a leading independent telco in South Africa with a BE component of 47%, listed on the Altec Stock Exchange, and one of the largest interconnect telcos in South Africa. As a shareholding, we have the likes of Loroco Metia, Mvelapanda, the Public Investment Corp, who all make up quite a sizable team within the organization. As a group, Vox Telecom tackles the industry using 4 subsidiaries: Vox Orion, Vox Data Pro, Atlantic, and Vox Telepreneur. Vox Orion is by far the largest subsidiary within the Vox Telecom group, tackling mainly the corporate and government sectors. And their focus is voice and telephony management for those corporate customers. Vox Data Pro is an ISP, so we focus purely on the data side, dealing with the mid-tier to large corporate. Atlantic, also an ISP, but using a franchise model, bases itself all over the rural areas of South Africa. So in every single dorp in South Africa, you can rest assured you're going to have a Vox representative there. And Vox Telepreneur is really what we're here to discuss today.